Self-publishing. Every penny counts. You just finished writing your book's first manuscript draft. The next step is to begin assessing your budget plan. Funds may be limited, but with proper planning and research, you can get the most out of your budget by utilizing the best platforms for your publishing needs. Expect to spend an average of $2,500 up to $5,000 for a successful publication. This does not include marketing and promotion. Your book's marketing plan may require planning a separate budget. Never cut yourself short. This is an important investment into the sales of your book, so to expect a high return, you should consider the best quality services you're able to afford. Word count. Figuring out the length of your manuscript is your starting point. Each word counts when copy editing and proofreading, as you're charged per word. Ironically, books with the fewest words, such as picture books, will carry a higher editing cost per word. Luckily, most platforms will quote your sample so you're able to compare prices for the best deal. Whether you've decided to write fiction or nonfiction also affects your costs. Nonfiction requires an intensive editing process, which tasks editors with fact-checking and research. Expect to pay at least 5 cents per word for editing and proofreading services. 30,000 words are the sweet spot, yet this is an average minimum which totals to at least $1,500 to obtain the services needed to develop, edit, and proofread your text. Alpha and beta reading. The bigger your book, the more alpha and beta readers you should consider recruiting to review your manuscript. When working with a limited budget, writing communities such as Goodreads can supply free beta readers willing to take on your manuscript and provide helpful feedback. Helping to avoid plot holes and ensuring the reader receives your book positively are the main concerns of these readers. Editing. Shop for your own personalized developmental editors on Fiverr. Fiverr gives you the ability to browse through editors' profiles and locate the best fit based on credentials and experience. Reviews from previous customers are available to help new buyers make the best decision. To save more money with alpha beta readers, developmental editors, and proofreaders, be sure to self-edit your book tediously before passing your manuscript on to anyone for critique. A few of the best book self-editing software for authors are AutoCrit, After the Deadline, Hemingway Editor, Pro Writing Aid, and Grammarly. They are freely accessible with options to upgrade should you require more in-depth services. Proofreading. Once your manuscript has been scoured and revised to your best ability, proofreading will be one of the last stops it makes before hitting the press. Keep in mind that all these services are available through freelancers on Fiverr. However, for those wanting other options, we will provide those as well. Magnum Proofreading is an affordable site that offers proofreading services starting at only 13 cents and offers packages with more in-depth proofreading as well for 21 cents and 45 cents per word. Paperblazer is also another reasonably priced service for editing and proofreading, ranging between $3 to $5 per 100 words, and prides itself on the ability to provide a surprisingly quick turnaround of 1 to 3 days. Another great solution for multitasking your budget for editing, proofreading, designing, formatting, publishing, marketing, printing, and distributing is the one-stop shop, BookBaby. All of these resources are available on the BookBaby webpage, where you will find access to a plethora of tools to prepare and launch your book. The cheapest publishing package is $1,090 for print-ready authors that grants ebook conversion and print-on-demand distribution. The essentials needed for a professional book release are $2,190, which also supplies the author with book cover design and ebook formatting services. The most expensive package offered is $2,890, which includes printing, publishing, and promotion services, including advertisement campaign developments for social media platforms, bookshop promotion bundles, and metadata optimization. Book formatting and cover designing. When it comes to designing your book cover, SketchProfs offers package deals that allow you to save money on future covers as well. With this website's budget-friendly design packages, for almost half the price, receive 2 book covers for $534, 4 book covers for $784, or 6 covers for $1,054. Each package offers comprehensive benefits the more you invest in them. For indie authors looking to release more books in the future, these packages are a conveniently smart deal. A great way to play with formatting your book and getting a feel for how you want it to look is found on Scrivener. If you don't feel tech savvy enough to navigate those types of programs yourself and simply want to entrust the task to a pro, killing two birds with one site is an option to consider. Find the best freelancers for book cover designing and formatting on Fiverr by filtering for top sellers and sifting through portfolios to find a price that works with your budget. Find an artist based on previous buyer reviews and browse portfolios to find an artist that fits both your budget and your taste. Less is best when designing a book cover because you want something that speaks to the reader just enough to draw them in without overwhelming them. To make sure you get exactly what you want, experiment with different ideas before shopping to create the general direction for your cover to share with your artist. Using a mockup generator, Placeit allows the creative control to upload your own images, insert text, and play around with placement. It also serves many purposes for the indie author marketing their books for self-promotion. Use Placeit's templates and video resources to bring your book to life and inspire anticipation for social media fans. Create videos, mockups, logos, or designs for $14.95 monthly, or save 50% with the annual fee of only $89.69. Printing and digital publishing. Take some of the weight off your shoulders with POD, or print on demand, using publishing platforms such as BookBaby, Kindle Direct Publishing, and AccuTrack. KDP will handle all the printing and distribution of your books for you simply by setting up a free account, and offers tools to help with formatting and book designing. To obtain pricing for AccuTrack services, you must complete a free consultation to get a quote that will estimate the cost of your expectations. The perks of using AccuTrack are having a pre-press team at your disposal to help finalize the design and layout of your book. The pre-press team can help with graphic and package design, along with assembly and kitting services as well. Choose from the digital or offset method of printing to process your order. The digital method utilizes inkjet technology and is recommended for less than 1,000 copies. The traditional offset method is recommended when printing more than 1,000 copies. The differences between Kindle Direct Publishing and AccuTrack may affect your sales depending on the platform you choose. While KDP is limited to selling only on Amazon and some other vendors, AccuTrack grants you access to several various platforms to market, promote, and sell your books not only there but on your personal landing page as well. AccuTrack links a handy catalog and shopping cart from your site to theirs to help fulfill and distribute your book orders without any hassle to you. Indie authors are entrepreneurs, and as such, you will assume risks when deciding where to invest your money. A budget plan is equally important as the book's outline and the marketing plan, so take the time to plan accordingly. Every penny counts. We hope you enjoyed this video on self-publishing. Every penny counts. Please like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to provide you with quality content for indie authors. Drop us a comment below on what kind of topics you'd like us to cover. Get more high-quality content over on our website at indieauthorresources.com.